how to mute calls and alarms by covering screen or flipping phone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on advanced features. So you will see advanced features is here, so click on advanced features. Now here, so click on motion and gestures. So after click on motion and gestures, scroll down and you will see second last option is mute with gestures. So if you want to mute alarms, calls, mute by covering screen on flipping phone, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, go back and click on clock app. So click on this plus icon. And click on save. You will see so if you want to set this feature, so you will see after done process, alarm is turned on and call is showing on your screen. So just click on screen, you will see feature is working. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can mute calls and alarms by covering screen or flipping phone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.